What's going on, guys? This is Aaron with Departures Capital. We're here with Stuart Lowther, CEO of Element Nutrition. How are you doing today, Stuart?
I'm excellent, thank you. How are you?
Yes, I'm very good. Excited to have you on. So, Element Nutrition is a research and innovation-driven nutraceutical company that has developed a clinically proven, patented consumer packaged goods product line for men and women aged 50 plus. What else should investors know about the company?
Well, I think the big thing they should know is that we're entering into a marketplace that has a lot of huge growth potential. Targeting the 50 plus consumers, they control almost 70% of the assets in North America. They have all the money, and yet most marketing dollar spends, only 10% of it goes to these consumers. And this aging demographic is looking to stay healthier, to stay stronger longer. So we're basically coming to the forefront of that market and targeting a very cool niche in the marketplace with lots of growth potential.
Awesome. So why did Element Nutrition choose to focus on combating age-related muscle loss, and what is the market opportunity?
Well, besides the 2 points I just reflected on as far as marketing dollars and the size of the market, muscle loss due to aging is the next big growth area in consumer packaged goods, especially focused on the aging demographic. So muscle loss due to aging is called sarcopenia. Experts out there in press releases have said that sarcopenia is the next osteoporosis. Everyone knows osteoporosis. The only difference is this is in your muscles, and the downstream negative effects on your health are greater than osteoporosis. So it's a really big opportunity. And if you look at osteoporosis market, which is $10 billion USD, it's a very large market opportunity.
Definitely. So Rejuvenate is set to be available at more than 6,800 retail locations, including major retailers like Walmart and CVS. How is Element able to accomplish this kind of distribution so quickly?
Like pretty much via experience and also innovation. So we have a really high experienced team in here. We've all done this before and know what we're doing. This is my second company I founded. So I've worked with these retailers for many number of years. So we know the process and how to execute and how to time things properly. And then the retailers have become very savvy over the last decade, and they're really looking for innovation. They don't want just Me Too products. And so what we bring to the table is the innovation they're looking for. So just by having those two things, it makes it easier for us to get our shelf space and move quickly.
Definitely. So Element Nutrition recently signed on fitness guru Denise Austin as brand ambassador. What does this mean for the company?
Well, Denise is a perfect fit for our company and our brand. You know, she's full of energy. She's 63 years old, so she's in our demographic. You can never tell that she's 63. She's built a career in health and fitness through her entire life. She's sold over 24 million fitness videos, had the longest running fitness show on ESPN. She's published 12 number one best-selling books. So she's really a perfect figure to represent our brand. And her social media following is almost 500,000 people, fully engaged. She has a 30% engagement rate with her social media. So that allows us to basically use that avenue and keep getting the brand in front of our target consumers.
Yeah, I think that's really great for the company. So could you tell us a little bit more about the 25 plus clinical studies that went into proving Rejuvenate's efficacy?
Well, the whole story started about 17 years ago, almost 18 now, with Dr. Robert Wolf at the Shriners Burn Clinic down in Texas. They're looking for ways to increase recovery via muscle protein synthesis in whole body burn patients, mostly in children. And in the process of doing so, they started to find some really positive results working with essential amino acids. And that basically established a complete lineage of research over the last 17 years, where they tweak the formula consistently to find the best ways to maximize the effect in the muscles. And that's what you see today as Rejuvenate.
Awesome. So how has this management team's experience with companies like Jameson and Muscle Tech informed how Element Nutrition has been set up?
Well, the experience we have has allowed us to structure the company and structure ourselves so that, one, we can work efficiently. And secondly, we know what needs to get done in the early stages because we've all done it before. We also know the pitfalls that can come down the pipeline. So, you know, the expensive mistakes that can be made out there by younger companies, at least experienced companies, we avoid all those pitfalls. So we're smart and we're savvy, and we're all, even if we're over 100 years experience, we've all worked together for a number of years in other companies. So we're a great team with lots of continuity, and we work really well together.
Nice to hear. So could you provide us with some details about the company's online marketing strategy?
Well, online marketing, obviously, due to COVID, has become a really big piece of business. Everyone is focused on it. So, we've also focused on it, and we've learned a lot in the last couple of years. We're on Amazon in the US, in Canada. We have our own web on either side of the border. So we do lots of e-commerce sales. But at the same time, even with the growth in e-commerce, the e-commerce market is still 14% of revenue in our industry. So as a company, we can't just focus on e-commerce. You still have to pay attention to the retailers. And so we use an omni-channel distribution method. So we focus on our online, such as Amazon, et cetera, but we also make sure we work with retailers.
Wonderful. So finally, how should investors get in touch with you, the company, or find out more information?
Well, basically our website, which is elmtinc.com. They can go there and find us. And then from there, they can connect to the company and go through the channels and find me if need be.
Wonderful. So thank you so much, Stuart. I look forward to covering the company, and best of luck with everything.
All right. Thanks very much. Really appreciate it.
All right, guys, that wraps up the video. Thank you so much for watching. I just wanted to say, if you do support me, the channel, and all these videos, then kindly smash that like button along with hitting the subscribe button and the bell for notifications for future videos. I did also want to say, check the disclaimer down below. This video was sponsored by the company that we are talking about today. So check the disclaimer, full disclosure, and we're out of here. Always remember, guys, Departures Capital is for information, education, and entertainment purposes only. Don't buy or sell a stock because you heard it on here. Buy or sell a stock because you've done your research, you've done your thorough due diligence, and you're making your own personal investment decisions for yourself. This video is not financial advice. We'll see you guys in our next video.